morning, everyone. My name is Sarah Connolly, and I'm Corporate Communications Manager at MSD. So you can see behind me here at MSD, we feel the most important thing we make is a difference. Now, this isn't just some line we roll out for events like these. We really believe that CSR is at the heart of everything we do. And I want to talk to you about what we're doing here in Ireland to support our global CSR strategy. So just a little bit about the company. We're known as Merck in the US and Canada and MSD everywhere else. We used to be Merck Sharp and Dome here in Ireland, but we're rebranded now as MSD, and we're slowly getting people to recognise us under this new name, although journalists still don't want to move on. We are one of the world's leading healthcare companies. We're operating in 140 countries worldwide. We manufacture prescription medicines, vaccines, biologic therapies, animal healthcare products and consumer care products also. This is just some of our key areas of focus, ranging from oncology to biologics, neurosciences, even to women's health. And we manufacture many of our products here in Ireland for the world market. So we actually have 8 sites currently in Ireland, 5 manufacturing sites and 3 sales and marketing offices. So for example, in our Swords office here in Dublin, we manufacture our women's health products for the world market. So we make contraceptives right through to fertility treatments. And luckily I can say we haven't mixed those two up yet. In Ireland, we're very proud to employ over 2,300 people across our sites. And as I said, manufacture many of those products here in Ireland. So, corporate social responsibility and MSD. Basically, at MSD, our corporate responsibility is our daily commitment to discovering innovative solutions to the world's biggest health challenges. But in its simplest forms, we like to break that down to helping the world be well. So how do we make this real for our operations and our employees here in Ireland? First of all, we have 4 key pillars of activity: access to health, environmental sustainability, employees, and ethics and transparency. And I'm going to take you through 3 different projects here in Ireland which would fit into these key pillars. So first of all, in the area of education, it's interesting to hear some of the other companies actually talking about similar activities, working with the schools and promoting science, and that's a very big programme for MSD. And this year we launched our MSD Wonders of Chemistry Roadshow, which you can see here in the image, where we brought thousands of primary school children into colleges to take part in interactive chemistry workshops. So it's so interesting to hear Caroline say that, actually, because one of the little boys came up to me as well and said it was the best day of his life. I think he said he was going to Disney World soon as well, so would be short-lived. But we work with schools around the country to promote science, and especially during Science Week, which was just last week, we would bring them into our sites in the different communities as well to engage with them along the education continuum. Another project we are very committed to in Ireland is our Neighbour of Choice programme. And you can see here in the image, this is a sensory room we sponsored for the Laura Lynn Hospice, which is located in Leopardstown, which is where our sales and marketing offices are. And we built this room with them this year as part of the launch of this hospice. And we also supported the launch event day, and through our company volunteering programme, we would have employees engaging with different community initiatives around the area and throughout Ireland. And thirdly, I want to focus on our health literacy initiative. So MSD began a partnership with NALA, the National Adult Literacy Agency, back in 2007, when we decided to focus on the area of health literacy and creating an awareness campaign among the public and healthcare professionals. So many people probably wouldn't know that over 50% of people in Ireland actually have literacy difficulties now, and this can be a huge problem when interacting with healthcare professionals and their GPs. So what we started was an awards programme called the Crystal Clear Awards, which encouraged healthcare practitioners to send in programmes they were doing in the area of health literacy, and we recognise and award these excellent programmes within the healthcare profession. So for instance, you can see the lovely Una O'Brien here in the pink, who's a midwife at Our Lady of Lourdes Hospital in Drogheda. So she noticed that many young teenage mums weren't attending their antenatal classes. So she launched a texting program with the help of a few of the teenagers in the local community to send text messages to these teenage mums in text speak, as you can see here on the phone image. And would you believe this increased their attendance by 90% to these antenatal classes? So it just shows you that by communicating with people in their own methods, you can increase so much of health healthcare acceptance. So this is just one of the great projects that we awarded during our last 4 years of the Crystal Clear Awards, and this is an annual awards event, so it'll be happening again next year in May. But otherwise in the area of health literacy, we've made great strides in the last 4 years. We sponsored the first healthcare health literacy PhD in UCD, and also held the first European Conference for Health Literacy here in 2010. So we're very committed to this cause, and next year we want to roll it out further, in that we don't want to just be promoting, I suppose, within the healthcare profession, but really bring in the public to learn more about this very critical initiative. And also we want to involve our employees, our 2,300 employees, further across our site. So this is how we're looking to progress it next year. So really that's just a snapshot of what we're doing at the moment, but we've so many local initiatives across the communities we're operating in, and we've actually just become members of Business in the Community. I think somebody might be here from Business Community today. So we're going to next year look at leveraging further the great work we're doing at our sites and bringing this together under our Be Well umbrella, and furthering it into 2012 and beyond. So thank you.